Health benefits of regularly consuming pumpkin seeds. Number 1. Eating pumpkin seeds may reduce the risk of certain cancers. Diets rich in pumpkin seeds have been linked to a reduced risk of cancer in areas such as the stomach, breast, prostate, lungs, and colon. Number 2. Pumpkin seeds are loaded with antioxidants. Pumpkin seeds contain antioxidants. Like carotenoids and vitamin E, antioxidants can reduce inflammation and protect your cells from harmful free radicals. That's why consuming foods rich in antioxidants can help protect against many diseases. Number 3. Pumpkin seeds are high in fiber. Pumpkin seeds are a great source of dietary fiber. Shelled seeds provide 1.1 grams of fiber in a single 1-ounce serving. A diet high in fiber can promote good digestive health. Number 4. Eating pumpkin seeds may improve sleep. If you have trouble sleeping, you may want to eat some pumpkin seeds before bed. They're a natural source of tryptophan, an amino acid that can help promote sleep. Consuming around 1 gram of tryptophan, 7 ounces of pumpkin seeds, daily is thought to improve sleep. Number 5. Pumpkin seeds help wounds heal. They are rich in vitamins and minerals like manganese and vitamin K, both of which are important in helping wounds heal. Number 6. They are high in magnesium. Pumpkin seeds are rich in magnesium. Healthy magnesium levels are important for your blood pressure, blood sugar levels, as well as heart and bone health. Number 7. Improves prostate and bladder health. Pumpkin seeds may help relieve symptoms of benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH, a condition in which the prostate gland enlarges, causing problems with urination. Studies have also found that the oil from pumpkin seeds may have the potential to prevent or treat urinary disorders, and taking pumpkin seed supplements can help treat the symptoms of an overactive bladder. Number 8. Supports blood sugar balance. Studies have shown that pumpkin seeds, pumpkin seed powder and pumpkin juice can reduce blood sugar. This is especially important for people with diabetes, who may struggle to control their blood sugar levels. Supplementing with pumpkin juice or seed powder reduces blood sugar levels in people with type 2 diabetes. Number 9. Helps maintain healthy weight. Eating pumpkin seeds helps to maintain a healthy weight, because the individual feels full for longer after eating. Number 10. Pumpkin seeds may contribute to liver health. Study suggests that the nutrients in a mixture of flax and pumpkin seeds could provide some protection for the liver and also against atherosclerosis. Number 11. Contributes to heart health. There has been good evidence that eating pumpkin seeds as part of a balanced diet may well be beneficial for the heart and the prevention of cardiovascular disease. Pumpkin seeds are a good source of antioxidants, magnesium, zinc, and fatty acids, all of which may help keep your heart healthy. Number 12. Eating pumpkin seeds may contribute to the health of the skin and eye. Pumpkin seeds are a good source of squalene, an antioxidant compound that is similar to beta-carotene. Squalene occurs throughout all body tissues, and it appears to play a role in protecting the skin during UV and other types of radiation exposure. Studies have also suggested that squalene may play an important role in retinal health. Number 13. Improves quality of sperm. The high zinc content of pumpkin seeds may help improve sperm quality and fertility in men. Number 14. Pumpkin seeds are a good source of zinc. Researchers have determined that every 100 g of pumpkin seeds contains 7.99 milligrams of zinc. Nutritionists recommend additional zinc during pregnancy, as it is likely to improve health outcomes. There are many reasons to start consuming pumpkin seeds regularly, but ask your doctor for advice on the dosage that's right for you. Pumpkin seeds do have a high fat content, so they are prone to rancidity. Be sure to store in a cool, dark, dry place so you can enjoy for longer.